Hello guys, today our session is how to block any website in our home or office. For example, at our home, our children they're wasting their time doing a lot of games. Okay, maybe for parents is a good option how to block the website where the children are absent. At the office also, if the administrator not available and the manager or maybe supervisor he need to block some sites the employee using for some entertainment, he can do it as well. So it's very easy. First of all, this one file we need to go I'll go to C drive, go to Windows. In Windows we need to go to System 32. Then we need to find the drivers, there's etc. and this file called hosts. Okay, let me explain to you how it works. Okay, because what happened, the computer, any computer, you need to access to website URL. Okay, URL has a name, right? DNS name, domain, verified domain name, like Bookie. In our case, Bookie is online gaming for children. Okay, so DNS, it will resolve the IP address of Bookie because the computer understands IP addresses, the language for computers. For human, we understand Bookie.coms. Okay, this is how the DNS works. Translate the human names, okay, readable names, to IP address for computer language, how computer communicates by DNS server. But before the request come to DNS server, it will come first to hosts file inside your Windows computer. Okay, this file, it has some checks. He will go for first the request to this host file. If there's no check for that request, it will go to DNS after that. So our trick, we need to do the works inside the host, how to link this website, any website we need to deny the access, we need to what? To link it to our local host IP address, as we see now. Okay, go now to the files. At the beginning, I put my local host and I put the website. I put it in many options. Okay, www, the website, https, the website, and the website.com. To verify all the options are now blocked or cannot access. Only if he need to access, he will redirect him to my local IP address, which is there is no any web pages. Will be no web pages. That means denied. Okay, let's now try to do this one. Okay, because I already tried before to show you the video. Okay, to verify that Bookie is no more. To verify that my DNS is clear, there's one command called ipconfig/flash DNS. Enter. Okay, then the successfully flashed the DNS resolver client. That means the cache of the DNS is already reset. Okay, then I come back to the website, search for Bookie games. I found this one. I go inside. Where is it? It's blocked. Bookie is blocked. You see? Like this, you can block any website at your home and your office without noticing your children. Okay? Do it at the behind of your children when they are absent at school, or maybe they are outside the home playing or somewhere else. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy for this video. Please don't forget to share, likes, and subscribe. See you next session.
Like and subscribe. and subscribe.